What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here in Male, the capital city of Maldives, and on my background or in my background that is the mosque. This is the second biggest mosque here in Maldives, and sorry guys, it's raining. Yeah, it has been raining since 5 o'clock or something like that, but it's fine. It's my last day here in Maldives, so I had to go out. I had to see what's happening in the streets of Male. So earlier today I did a video as well for Holo Male. So check the link below for the video for Holo Male. So it's the same day I did this video because I don't have time, guys. I have only today. Tomorrow is my flight back to Dubai. Yeah, but I'm really enjoying so far. So I will show you the streets of Male. It's a night time, as I told you. I love nightlife. Okay, so let me show you around. It will not be really that much, but I'll just show you a quick view or a quick view of Male, capital city. So as you can see from my background, people are busy going home or whatever. So let me show you around. So my people, same as Holo Male, most of the places here, they use motorbikes. See the motorbikes. I mean, this is the means of transport here. Most of the people, they use motorbikes to move around the city. Yeah, I'm in one of the streets. I don't know the name, but I'm safe, guys. This is it's safe here, and I have someone with me. So I have actually some few people with me, so it's not like I am alone. Yeah, so I am safe, don't worry. Yeah, everything is fine. So let me show you around. It's heavy rain here in Male. This is the capital city of Maldives. See the rain. So we're still in this street. It's raining, guys. Oh my goodness, this is a blessing for me because yeah, and as you can see, these are the motorbikes. These are people's motorbikes. These are people's taxis. This is something that amazes me in this country. Like everywhere there are motorbikes, and people actually are using them. The ladies, the men, I mean everyone. And of course there are cars. I'm actually enjoying the rain. More motorbikes there. I have to cross quickly. More motorbikes, more motorbikes. Motorbikes.
We had yesterday.
Okay. Oh, Gloria Jeans, yeah.
You see Gloria Jeans
Yeah.
Place and the Chicken. These are both Dubai companies.
I've seen chicken. My people, this is another street. There is a lot of water here. See the streets. Oh my goodness. There is a lot of water here. More motorbikes. These are actually people's, it's like a parking. This is a parking lot for motorbikes. This people use motorbikes a lot in this country. So this is one of the streets. I'm just roaming around. It's 9 p.m. or I don't know. It's around 9 p.m. I don't know the time.
10 p.m.
Oh yeah, 10 p.m. Yeah, it's almost 10 p.m. Yeah, it's safe. I am safe.